Uh, Good day, everyone. It's about 7 o'clock, 1st of January. So, guys, basically, I did record a video before it was about 6 p.m. today. So, when I was about to publish the video, it happened that it didn't have audio. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be doing it again. Let's just see where it takes us. Basically, when we start to analyze, we start on our weekly time frame as we like to get the overall direction. So, this is what I'm seeing from where I am. This is what I'm seeing from where I am. I see that we are having some sort of a descending channel. If I duplicate the above trend line, I see this. This is what I'm seeing. And from here, what are we going to do? We can already like mark our high. This is our high, guys. This is our high, right? We can even, yeah, this is our higher high, the all-time high. What's going on there? Okay, this is our higher high, guys. Just gonna see my label it as high. And from high, what are we going to do, since we have seen that we have a descending channel, we just want to move to a lower time frame, which is our daily time frame. From our daily time frame, I think we both can agree that we are having what? We are having an ascending channel going, as it is a bullish trend. So we just want to draw di our diagonal support right over here, and we're just going to clone this one and put it there. So from what I'm seeing here, let's just quickly go to a line chart. A line chart will confirm a lot of things. So yeah, this is what we are getting from a line chart, right? This is what we are getting from a line chart. Yeah, from here then we can go back to our candlestick chart. From our candlestick chart, we also mark that right over here on top here, what are we having? We're having a demand. This is a very demand. This is a demand, guys. Just mark it and label it a demand. Okay, this is our demand right over there. Is it a demand? No, it's supply, guys. I'm sorry for that. This is the supply, guys. Yeah, I like to mix them up because really now, guys, I don't usually like use them because I know they mean the very same thing. The high and the low, the supply and demand, the resistance and the support is the very same thing to me, guys. Because even if you can use it the way I use them, I think you can actually get something out of it. So what you are seeing right now, as we have supply over here and right over here, you can say we have our, okay, sorry, I'm just going to move it down a little bit. This will be our demand. Let me just catch it. This will be our demand right over here, our demand zone. So I'm just gonna make it demanding. Demand. Did you really? Okay, that's demand. So since we have spotted our supply and demand on daily chart, we can also spot out our rejection over here, which is a resistance. Yeah, this is our resistance, guys. So no, why am I mixing these things up? This is our support, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with me today. I don't really know what's going on with me today. Okay, this is our support, guys. Our resistance on top there. Then we're gonna jump to a lower time frame, which is 1 hour, 4 hour. I mean, I'm making so many mistakes today, but I'm just gonna go through with the video because that's the aim, guys. That's the aim. Even though I'm making those mistakes, okay, we see that we are having a channel right over here, guys. we're having a channel, another channel right over here. You all can see that even if we move to a line chart, we're having a channel. So what happened is that okay, we had what? We had an upward movement, right? This was our upward movement, right? I can't play with that one too. Our upward movement, a consolidation, right? And shot to the outside, it broke our major channel, ascending channel. It broke him to retest on the. Remember, once the price broke our support of our resistance, that resistance turns into a support. That support turns into a resistance. Now it came to retest on support and shot up to its resistance, and it played around, guys. It played around, and hit its what? Its resistance came back, consolidated a little bit, broke to the downside, breaking what our diagonal support to this level right over here, which we can all agree we are having a significant level, price level right over there. Then from there it shot to the upside. When it shot to the upside, this over here, let's just remove this one. I want to show you something. Let's just remove this one to show you something right over here. If we can just cater for this right over there, we go again, we cater for this. Okay, can we both see? Can we all see, right? We can all see, right? So the price came back to retest and hit at what? There is you remember this trends and trends, or when you are on a higher time frame, like a weekly time frame, you have a weekly trend, you have a day trend, you have a 4-hour trend, you have a 1-hour trend, you have go dropping down like that. So this is what we are getting, right? Since it broke and it got back into our major trend, what are we looking for? What are we looking for? Let's just go back to a candlestick chart. What are we looking for? If we all can agree that since this was it was almost at our higher high, we can all agree when we have an ascending channel, the results are that we're going to have a descending structure after an ascending structure, right, guys? Here I'm canceling. This is canceling. Okay, it looks a little bit accurate. So that will be our first TP. As we all can see right over here, we're having a little bit of an M formation, a double top. So if a double top, as you can see, it's already going down. On our previous, the previous recording that I said I did record it first, and it ended up not having an audio. So already we analyzed it way before. It was right over here. Even if I can show you, let me show you where our entry is. Let me show you what we see where our entry is. Our entry is a little bit high. It's like it's high, guys, high. So yeah, that's not the point anyway. We're right over here, which is our neckline. We're at our neckline. As you can see, we did put our horizontal line over here representing our neckline, but our neckline here right over here is more like a zone because it hasn't broken. Unless it breaks this level, then we'll say now we are free, but right now we're not free. Let's go back to where we are. Okay, right over here, guys. So what are we going to do? As we have said, now we are on our neckline. What are we going to do? Just going to put our position in. So before we go anywhere, I think we all can agree this looks a little bit more like head and shoulder, right? Let's just make it out and see what we're talking about. This looks like an inverted head and shoulder. This will be our first shoulder right over here. Okay, this will be our head, and then this will be our right shoulder, guys. Then it will look a little bit to shoot to this side where it will end. So once, remember, that's what I was talking about, we having a zone, a neckline for this a little bit over here. Okay, if it doesn't break this zone that we talked about, that is, I said, we are having a neckline. If the price doesn't break this zone right over here, then we are looking for it to shoot to the upside. But if it breaks it, then it confirms what? It confirms a sale. So the reason for me to enter before the neckline is that, remember, the market makers, the brokers are usually there to take the money from us. So You can't enter where the brokers and the market makers are expecting you to enter. Using the information that we got from the internet, we all can know if we are selling, we're supposed to sell right over and below this zone. If we are buying, we're supposed to buy above here at the neckline of the shoulders. That's where you're supposed to buy to the upside. But if you buy there, remember the brokers know, the market makers know here most people are going to sell. They also have the information seeing the sales. They also have information seeing the buys, and then they're going to implement what a stop loss hand. By implementing a stop loss hand, they're going to kick us out. Now let's talk about this. I've entered right about here on that trade. I've entered the sale right above here. Now at this zone, if the market is going to fall at this zone, now people are starting to place trades, sell. It's a neckline. People are starting to place trades, sell. And what's going to happen? The market is likely going to reverse to kick out the stop losses. Those who doing a stop loss hunt, uh, hunting all the stop loss, kicking, and then going out. You see, the market is reversing right now. The market is going to reverse, fluctuate a little bit before it chooses a direction when it at the neckline, because it's trying to do what? To kick out those people who are putting tight stop losses. So let's just jump a little bit. Why did I put it there? Okay, this one's supposed to be here. It's my mistakes. Let me just adjust it. Okay, you see, this is where we are supposed to sell, guys. I'm having difficulties because I'm using what is it? A touchpad of my laptop. So it's playing tricks on me. I think it's too old, very. But either way, we got results using it. You see now it's shooting. Remember, let's just check what's going to happen at this level. If you manage to get this video at the time, right now, let's just check what's going to happen at this level. We have an M formation pattern shooting to the downside. If it breaks this level, then it is a continuation to the downside. This is our first TP, guys. This is our first TP. Remember, the market makers are looking at the very same chart that we are looking. They can see the very same news that we are seeing, that we analyze. Like every analysis that we use, these people can see them. Like the information that we analyze on, they have access to it too. So I know my English is a little bit broken, but the point is we must do things different. We must not do things the way we get them on the internet. Yeah, we are going to lose. I've been losing doing the very same thing. So I started doing things a little bit different. So this is our first P right over here. The reason I got back to the topic of the market makers see everything. Let me see. Okay, my time is already up. I have about 15 minutes. Either way. So what's going to happen right over here, guys, is that it's supposed to shoot to the downside if it managed to shoot to the downside. So don't set your TP right over, like, okay, don't shoot your TP where everybody's expecting the TP to be at here. No, put your TP a little bit up. Here's our TP1, right? Let's jump to the 4-hour time frame, because I don't think this is maybe going to end. I did actually open a sale before even I got to the point of whether we are buying or selling, because I believe since we had this a major a major ascending channel, this is our second TP. Still we are still in what? We're still in the, remember, this is our trend. Now we are still in the ascending channel. From ascending channel, I'm expecting the market to break. As it breaks, I'm actually still looking to sell a little bit. So I don't control the market. You just see how it plays out. From right about, you see, at least the market should come right over here to this level, or maybe to this level where I did stop. I mean, like right above this. Yeah, this is our TP3, and then this will be our TP4, TP5 right over here. So yeah, time is not on our side, guys. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more videos. Basically on the upcoming videos we'll be doing fundamentals. We're also going to do different strategies. So guys, yeah, support the channel, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.